Hey beautiful people, it's Jess and welcome to Jess Budgets. In today's video we will be doing a stuffing of our savings challenges. I am going to be putting money into my 5s, my 1s, and my 52-week challenge along with my coin challenge. If that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. If you enjoy watching similar content, please consider becoming a subscriber so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're coming back, I thank you for watching my videos and continuing to follow me on my debt-free journey. And without further ado, let's get started. I am going to start with my coins. I tend to start with my coins during this video, so we're just gonna keep the tradition going. So I've been saving my coins in this little kind of like pencil bucket pan, and I have quite a few coins. So I am going to get my coin counter that still has random things the kids put in here. And let's see. We're currently at $13.06. So far, that's how much I've collected and just change that I received. So that's that. So $13.06 is how much I have in my coins. For my 1s and 5s, I've been saving them and kind of putting them on the side. I found $3 additional, and I'm gonna check my wallet right now to see if I have any more change. I found another $2. So I'm gonna open this up. It's just my little post-it so I know what this money is for. And I kind of just collect it in this clear pouch. Just one, so I can kind of see the money and be reminded of it, and two, to separate it and not spend it. So these are our stacks. We're gonna go ahead and start with 5s because it's a lot less. So with my 5, I still haven't done anything with this challenge. It's still just in our post-it with the amounts on there. I have 5, 10, 15, 20. So $20. I'm going to add that. I'm not gonna count it all together. I'm just gonna add it onto there. I did do my quarterly count. I haven't put money into this cent stack count, so this amount is the total amount, but I did note down how much I did on a quarterly basis, so I'm going to just subtract from the original amount so I know the difference that I made in the second quarter, and kind of track it that way so I'll know how much more or less I've saved each quarter. So for the 1s, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So $17 going into my 1s, and I'm just gonna add it on here, and that's it. And then lastly, we are going to do our 52-week challenge. Our 52-week challenge, I am doing this challenge with my husband, so our amounts are ×2. So whatever amount, I have to double it since we're doing it together. He is loosely participating. We left off on September 3rd. That was the last one that we did. So we're gonna work until our current date. So I have my envelope where I've been saving the money for the challenge here, and I am just gonna separate the amounts for both of us and see where we're at. So for 9, 10, we each needed to give $13. So let's see. Let's see if I have change. I have a lot of loose bills, so here. Let's just do this. So if it's 13 each, it's 26. So here we are. So I have 10, 25, 6. So 26 for both of us. Check that off. And then, so 9, 10, 26 each. And I'm going to put it to the side in case I need to make change. I'm just going to put it here so I can make the change. So that's week 13. So I'm going to flip this over and go to week 14. That would be 9, 17. And 14 would be $14 each. So that's 28. Let's see if I have 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I have, so 14 each is 28. So it's 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28 for that. So right there. So then the next week would have been 9/24. So then that is $15 each. So 15 each. I have 10, 15, and then 10, 15 for me. So $30 altogether. I guess we should. Check that off. So then week 16 would be 10/1, and we would need $16 for that week. So there we are. We have 10, 15, 16 for me, and then 10, 15, 10, 15, 16 for hubby. And then next week would have been 10/8, and that's $17 that we need each. So 10, 17. So I have 5, 15, 16, 17 from me, and then 10, 15, 16, 17 from hubby. And then we have 10, 15, which is $18 from each of us. And let's see. So I have a 20, 15. I have 15, 16, 17, 18 from me. And then I have a 20 for hubby. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I have a 20 from hubby, so I technically get $2 back. So from the 20 is 18 and 19, 20. I get $2 back. And then I'm gonna put this towards here. And we are caught up for a challenge. 171 doubled, it would be 342, which is how much we should have all together. I'm gonna go ahead and count all the money together just to make sure that it's correct. Should have 342 in here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That's 300. So we have, 300, 5, 10, 15, 17, 19,
21, 23, 25,
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. So 342. Those random twos, boy, I tell you. All right, so 342. So we're on track. We have the amount that we need in our challenges, and we're caught up for October. So most likely I'll be filming another savings challenge video come November. So 342, we're on track. So I'm actually kind of glad that I started this later, not at the beginning of the year. Just because my higher amounts aren't going to be during the holiday season. They're going to be after the holiday, which is a lot better for me because it's easier to save during non-holiday time, since my budget isn't being used for things related to the holidays, like outings, Christmas pictures, Christmas gifts, unexpected extra gifts that you have to do, extra activities with the kids at school and such. So kind of enjoying it later on, the higher amounts won't be during those like hectic budget breaking months, as opposed to if I would have started at the beginning of the year, I would have been in the like higher like $40, $50 amounts of savings that I would have to do around this time. So I think that I'm going to continue that tradition of starting it around the same time. Saving challenges have really helped me to put money aside and save it, and with a purpose. I really think that you should attempt to at least do one savings challenge to save money. Maybe start with like a mini one. There's so many different ways to save and use the saving challenges to save. You can do like preset ones like this 52-week challenge, or you could do one where you kind of fill in the amount, or you save whatever you can and you document it each week, but you have to attempt to save something each week. I would highly recommend that you start a savings challenge to kind of save. It makes it fun and a little bit challenging to get you to actually save the money. Hopefully you enjoyed this content. If you want to see more similar content or watch more of my videos, please stay tuned for the end card, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.